Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be travelling from Melbourne Southern Cross Station to South Geelong and return. We will be travelling on Alston coaches as well as Seymour coaches operating as V-Line coach replacements to Wyndham Vale, then on a V-Line Velocity to South Geelong.
Oh no, on the front counter. Oh nice, yeah, sorry, was it one place? Yeah, it was right, yeah.
No, you're not surprised.
Look, Brennan.
Slightly smaller SUV version.
Yeah, you
Sort of like an
Yeah, you do.
that version,
I was your choice.
Oh, it's your
The seats on board Alston coaches are in a 2-2 configuration. All seats are facing the direction of travel. The seats have very limited legroom and are overhead individually controlled air vent. And of course they also feature a seatbelt. There are also overhead luggage racks. The seat doesn't have any recline and there is not much room between the two seats. We have now arrived at Wyndham Vale. From here we will be taking a V-Line Velocity train.
Yeah, so there'll be a bus that will stop all stations.
Customers just repeating the earlier announcements, train now boarding on platform 2.
At Wyndham Vale I had about a 10-minute wait till the train left. The train I was on was fairly empty. velocity seats are in groups 2 and 4. The two-seaters have a good amount of legroom, an armrest and a tray table in some seats. There are many different versions of the velocity and some feature a different layout. There are also overhead luggage racks on board the velocity. The velocity seats also don't include any recline. The four-seaters include the armrest and have a very good amount of legroom unless someone is sitting opposite you.
Well, it might not be far.
We would go. You just said there's no rush, we'll get the next one.
Yeah.
That's 40 minutes after you said it.
Right.
Please make sure you take off your belt with you and make sure the platform is available and you step on the platform.
It's screwed, is it? Oh, it's terminated. This one.
Not sure.
Yeah, we said trying to set it up. Battery's gone. Nice. No, I'm not left with it anyway.
For now, waiting timers, farther to late than them. We're just showing that Seymour.
We are now on board Seymour coaches.
I'm so happy we jumped on
Brendan plus one. Having a good time.
After I got on this coach, there was a long line for others.
Yeah, we're lucky. That's because we got on at the right spot on the train.
The seats on board Seymour coaches are in a 2-2 configuration, all facing the direction of travel. The seats also have very limited legroom, but more than Alston from earlier. They also have an overhead individually controlled air vent, and of course again, a seatbelt. The seat doesn't have any recline or a seatbelt. We have now arrived back at Southern Cross. The journey on board the coaches wasn't the most comfortable, but it may have been better if V-Line could have used their own coaches, if they were available. Thanks for watching.